In today's world, having a reliable dashcam has become essential for every driver. Whether you're commuting daily or planning a road trip, a dashcam provides more than just recordings of scenic drives. It acts as a silent witness, capturing crucial moments on the road, from accidents and road rage incidents to unexpected events. In cases of insurance claims or disputes, having video evidence can save you time, money, and stress. A good dashcam also offers features like parking mode, night vision, and GPS tracking, making it an invaluable tool for ensuring both safety and accountability. With so many options on the market, it can be tough to know which one suits your needs best. That's why we've compiled this list of the top 5 best dash cams, helping you choose the perfect one to safeguard every journey. Stay tuned to find out which models made the cut. For more such content, subscribe to our channel now and press the bell icon for regular updates. If you want to know more about the products or their latest pricing, links to all the products mentioned in this video are given in the description box below. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Roov R24K Pro, the best budget. The Roov R24K Pro Dashcam is a high-quality, affordable solution for capturing road footage. Priced at around $159.99, this compact dashcam offers impressive 4K resolution and a 150-degree wide viewing angle, ensuring crystal-clear videos day or night. Equipped with GPS and dual-band Wi-Fi, users can geotag locations and effortlessly transfer footage to their phones for sharing or evidence purposes. Installation is straightforward, with both suction cup and adhesive mounts included, alongside a long USB cable for easy cable management. The camera's performance shines during road tests, delivering sharp video with vibrant colors and minimal night glare. Additionally, its G sensor ensures important moments are locked, preventing accidental overwriting. While it lacks advanced driver assist features and a touchscreen, the R24K Pro offers excellent value for those seeking essential dash cam functions at a reasonable price. It's a great choice for reliable and high-quality recording on a budget. At number 4, we have the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2, the best value. The Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 is an excellent choice for drivers seeking a compact, no-frills dashcam that focuses on reliability and ease of use. Priced affordably at $129.99, it offers high-quality 1080p Full HD video at 30 frames per second with HDR, ensuring sharp footage in varying light conditions. Its minimalistic design, no larger than a car key fob, allows it to sit discreetly behind the rear-view mirror without obstructing the driver's view. Installation is straightforward, with included adhesive mounts and USB cables, making it easy to move between vehicles. The camera's voice command feature adds convenience, allowing you to save footage or take snapshots hands-free. The Garmin Drive app ensures quick setup and easy video management via Wi-Fi. Though it lacks advanced features like GPS or 4K resolution, the Mini 2 delivers exceptional performance for the price. Its simplicity and reliability make it a fantastic dash cam for everyday driving. At number 3, we have Nextbase IQ Smart, the best mid-range. The Nextbase IQ Smart dash cam is a premium, feature-rich device designed for those seeking top-tier protection and performance. Offering resolutions up to 4K, this dashcam ensures sharp video quality in all lighting conditions, while its dual cameras cover both the front and interior. Beyond recording, the IQ Smart includes innovative features like smart parking mode, live view, and real-time alerts, adding an extra layer of security. You can even activate an onboard alarm remotely or use the witness mode to stream incidents live to a designated contact. Although the camera's larger size may not suit every vehicle, its solid construction feels durable and reliable. Setup is straightforward, with installation options through the car's OBD port or a hardwired kit. The companion app offers seamless connectivity, letting users manage settings, access cloud-stored footage, and receive alerts with ease. While subscription plans unlock advanced features like 4G connectivity and 180-day cloud storage, the IQ Smart's capabilities make it worth the investment for anyone seeking comprehensive vehicle protection. Though the price might deter budget-conscious buyers, the peace of mind it offers makes it an excellent choice for those prioritizing safety and convenience. At number 2, we have Nextbase 622GW, the best runner-up. The Nextbase 622GW is a top-tier dashcam designed for those seeking premium features and outstanding performance. With 4K video recording at 30 frames per second, it ensures crystal clear footage, perfect for capturing important details like license plates. The built-in polarizing filter and image stabilization help produce smooth, glare-free videos, even in challenging weather conditions or rough roads. One standout feature is the integration with What 3 Words and Emergency SOS, enhancing safety by providing precise location tracking to emergency services. The 622GW also offers Alexa voice control, allowing drivers to manage recording hands-free, adding an extra layer of convenience. Its responsive 3-inch touchscreen simplifies navigation, and the optional rear camera module makes it a versatile setup. Though it comes at a premium price and requires a large SD card, the 622GW justifies the investment with exceptional build quality and advanced functionalities. While the companion app can occasionally be frustrating, the overall experience is smooth, especially when accessing footage via PC. With parking mode, G-sensor crash detection, and reliable low-light performance, the 622GW offers comprehensive protection. This dashcam is ideal for drivers who prioritize safety, video quality, and advanced features, making it one of the best options available. Finally, at number 1 we have Garmin Dashcam Live, best overall. The Garmin Dashcam Live is a high-end dashcam packed with advanced features, making it a top choice for drivers prioritizing safety and convenience. Its standout 1440p video resolution ensures sharp, vibrant footage in all lighting conditions, while LTE connectivity adds real-time monitoring capabilities. Through the Garmin Drive app, users can access live video feeds remotely, manage footage, and use GPS-based location tracking and theft alerts. With built-in driver assist features such as lane departure and forward collision warnings, the Dashcam Live actively promotes safer driving. The parking guard function is especially useful, sending notifications if the car is disturbed when parked. The camera also supports voice controls, allowing for hands-free operation, and comes with a 16GB micro SD card, providing both local and cloud storage options. Though some advanced features require a subscription, the combination of seamless app integration, reliable performance, and robust safety functions justifies the investment. Its compact design, user-friendly setup, and smooth recording, even in challenging conditions, make the Dashcam Live an excellent road companion. For those seeking comprehensive dashcam functionality with the added benefit of cellular connectivity, the Garmin Dashcam Live offers an impressive all-in-one solution. That's it for today, folks. If you find the video helpful, please like and share the video and subscribe to our channel for more such content. Thanks for watching.